In 1984, a computer scientist proposed that scientists should stop distinguishing between entities with a mind and those without when studying intelligence. Instead, he suggested focusing on the specific similarities and differences between systems. According to him, that a space of possible minds is not a simple dichotomy or spectrum, but rather a complex map with many extremes.
In 1984, computer scientist Aaron Sloman, of the University of Birmingham in England, published a paper advocating for more systematic thinking on the vague yet intuitive notion of mind. He argued that it was time to include what had been learned about animal cognition, as well as the research on artificial intelligence and computer systems into the conversation. Sloman pointed out that there is not just one sort of mind, and that there are differences between adults, children of various ages, infants, as well as cross-cultural and species differences. He emphasized the need to acknowledge the variety of types of computational mechanisms already explored. Sloman's ideas spanned across philosophy, information theory, and behavioral science, with a trajectory that left fellow travelers dizzy. He expressed humility about his attempt to broaden the discourse on mind, feeling that his thinking has largely been ignored. Sloman believed that the space of possible minds is richly structured and not a continuum, with many discontinuities and divisions within. He emphasized the need to classify different sorts of abilities, capacities, or behavioral dispositions. Sloman proposed a project for anthropologists, cognitive scientists, ethologists, computer scientists, philosophers, and neuroscientists to explore the detailed similarities and differences between systems. He criticized the current approach of AI researchers and emphasized the importance of learning about cognition in other animals. Sloman's concept of a space of possible minds was stimulating to some researchers, but the relevant disciplines were too distant from one another in the 1980s to make much common cause. He acknowledged the lack of progress in unraveling the cognitive complexities of our own minds and the corporate lull in AI research. Now, with AI proving its value, there is a widespread perception that considering how today's machine minds differ from our own is crucial. The time has come to revisit Sloman's mind space and explore what it might look like.